Hey there! If you're a business owner and you have a team to handle your online business, chances are that you're currently sharing your account's login information, and that is not the most secure way to enable your team to manage your business. Well, that ends today. You can now easily create separate accounts for members of your staff, and you can limit their control over different aspects of your e-commerce website as well. Here's how you can do that. From your Dukaan dashboard, click on the drop-down menu from the top right corner. Then click on Store Settings. Over here, you can see a sub-menu on the left. Click on Staff Accounts from here. Please note that if you are on the Platinum plan, you can add up to 10 staff accounts for free. If you are on the Gold plan, you will have to pay 1500 rupees per staff member you want to add. Since we are on the Platinum plan, let's go ahead and add staff members directly from this screen. Begin by adding an email address or a mobile number of your staff member you want to add. We recommend inviting them through your company email address, but mobile numbers work just fine as well. Next, enter their name. Finally, it's time to select their role. In Dukaan, there are 3 different roles using which you can limit your staff's access in your store. Let's go through them one by one. Admin, meaning they have full control over your store dashboard, that is, the same level of control as you, the owner. Manager, meaning they can access all features of your store except payments, account settings, and various reports. Then there's staff, meaning they have basic access only to the order and delivery features of the dashboard. Once you're done selecting the appropriate role, click on Send Invite to send them an invitation via the medium you had selected. Once you do this, they will receive an invitation on their email or SMS, and if you have selected email, this is how the mail will look. They have to click on Accept Invite and they can easily join your store's dashboard and start managing their role. Make use of the staff accounts feature today and manage your e-commerce store efficiently with your team. Happy selling!